Hey everybody, it's me, Kylie, here, and I'm doing a toy review on Shopkins, and I got this set, the grocery store, Small Mart, and these doors open, and I already took it out of the package just so it was quicker, looks like. So, yeah. This thing here comes off, and then on here this moves. See if you can see it. It moves. There's this on the back. You store like your bags here. And then on here, this is where you put a Shopkin in here, in this thing, right here. And then you push this up, and it flips them into, like, watch. It flips it, and it'll go down the side, and it'll fall right here. Fall right there. It goes down the side, and it falls down here. Okay. So next, I'm going to show you the Shopkins I have. The grocery store also comes with these two Shopkin bags. And it comes with a grocery cart. I put my Shopkins in it. Grocery cart. You put Shopkins on here, and this opens and stuff. It actually moves. And then it also comes with one of these lists of Shopkins. Yep. So I'll show you all the Shopkins I have. Out of the bakery, I have Lana Banana Bread and Wendy Wedding Cake. My sister has a friend named Liana, so we call Lana Banana Bread Liana Banana Bread. And then out of the hats, I have Burmy, the light kind. That is a chocolate covered one. Okay, and then out of the shoes, I have Jennifer Rady. I have Wilma Wedge. Out of the sweet treats, I have Ginger Fred. And then I gotta go get something quick. Okay, sorry, I just had to go get them. I had to go try and find something quick. And then out of fruit and veggies, I have cherry tomato. Out of international foods, I have Susie's Sushi. Yeah. I have Scone. And I also have this one. It's margarine, but I'm pretty sure she goes in international food. And then homewares, I have Teeny TV. And I have Mixie and Maxie. Mixie is the blender and Maxie is the bowl.
Are you sure you didn't put some?
And then I have Kelly Calculator. And then I do not have any limited edition. And then I'm pretty sure this one is a homewares. It's a water bottle. Yeah. So that's what that is. And then next I have you ready? Some baskets, two blind bags in here. I could get the limited edition Roxy ring.
I'm kind of in here.
Okay.
Open that one. You open the Minecraft one.
Hold on. So we're just gonna open some of these over here.
How about you open the Minecraft one? That one, open the Minecraft one. Please.
Our first one we got
Can I just I'm not gonna open it first.
this one, these two. I know this one's name, Croissant d'Or, and this one is Cheese Louise. She's a chocolate covered rare.
I got that one. How about we?
Here's
Oh,
another
we got
one.
a surprise.
Yeah, we'll have another surprise at the end too.
We can get that one right now.
No. Our
We
next
can go at the
one,
same time.
we have Lizzie Laceup
Can I just listen to it?
and Asparagus.
Okay.
And then another one,
Oh, cute.
we have, oh, I got another Ruby, another kind.
If it's a rabbit.
And then
Oh, yeah.
we got this cute little Oreo cookie. It's very cute. And then, here, I'll open that. Next, open that. We got another Shopkin one.
And we don't got two, we just got one.
Yeah, we just got one left.
You know what? Turn the brightness up on this. Merry Christmas!
Yeah, it's Christmas. And we also have another special surprise. And we got a Obsidian Series minifigure Dig In #4 Minecraft mini box.
I want the cat or the rabbit or the slime.
I want the slimes.
I want the slimes too.
Here, go open that next. Take them out.
I want that one. Open that one.
Yeah. Oh, feel it first. Yeah.
I don't know if
I think I got another asparagus.
I think I got something like new.
Oh,
A chocolate covered Landry. Maybe her name is Landry. Let's look at this. She's a chocolate covered too. I'm not into this stuff.
she's just doing it with me. Here, look on here for it.
Hold on.
Oh, you got one already?
I think this one's very rare. Yeah, she's a pink. What does pink mean?
Ultra
Ultra
rare.
rare. That's actually
Yep,
good.
I got another asparagus. So here are my two asparaguses.
Are ultra rare's good?
Yeah?
She's a chocolate covered Washa.
Her name is Washa.
So we got a chocolate covered Washa. That's a new one.
Wait, is it chocolate covered though?
Yeah, it's chocolate covered.
You
See?
can't look at it.
Chocolate.
Yeah, it is. It's chocolate covered. And then I get to open this. Drum roll.
I think it's the bunny.
I got Share Cheap.
Oh, cute!
So that's all right now, guys, and we will be back soon with more things. In our next video, we're going to be doing some yummy nummies.
Wait a minute. Whenever, if we get like multiples of one, we can maybe give them away to you guys.
Yeah, we don't have any multiple right now yet.
I don't know where the Shopkins are. We just need to find something. But Kylie's gonna go through all of them and tell you.
Yeah. So next video, we're gonna be doing yummy nummies. So stay tuned for that. Bye. Peace out, time for.